Alright, well, I got the oil pressure figured out. The sensor come unplugged. It wasn't like all the way out, it was just sitting in. The plug was just like sitting in there. It wasn't all the way plugged in. I pushed it in. Came right on, but still chasing this misfire. I don't understand it. So if anyone knows anything about this type of issue, like I just did brand new injectors and brand new gaskets for the intake. I've changed the coil packs, ones that I know are good. All the wires, as far as I know, are good, and previous owner, as far as I know, changed the plugs not too long before I got the truck. We're going to clear this again. It don't even smooth it out, you know. I'm gonna focus. I mean, it still runs decent, at least for what I'm trying to do. I just want to use it to like a work truck, pretty much. It's all beat up anyways, so it's got plastic bumpers on it. I want to use it to push some cars around that I need to be moved. But like I said before, if y'all know any idea what this misfire could be, help me out. Drop a comment. Let me know, because I can't figure it out. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button.